Susie, how you doing now?
I'm good.
Oh my God, see sweet voice. Baby, you are too fine though. I see your picture, you are too fine though.
Thank you. Stop visiting me.
Hey, Valentine they come now. I mean, let's meet now. We not go meet for Valentine.
And let's meet in the hotel.
Hotel kini?
Hotel, let's book it.
Hello baby, I know they go hotel though. Me, I know they go hotel though. When people they die for hotel, I know they, my spirit know they go hotel. I beg, no vex. You know fit come my house. My house they okay now. Only me they stay. My house they okay.
Okay, I'm coming.
You sure?
I
I don't feel wait. I no feel wait. Okay. Yeah, make I dey expect you. I go send you my address, eh? Don't worry, when you come, I go send better thing for you, eh? Susie. Tomorrow I go dey expect you, eh?
Okay.
Thank you. All right, bye. I beg, give me kiss now. Give me kiss now, eh? Oh boy. Okay. Okay. All right. Don't worry, I go expect you tomorrow. Hey. Susie. My sweetie Purero. You know see waiting time is now. Hey. I mean I no go see am ni. I don't feel wait oh. You time don dey go. Today. I go see Susie. Girl, we are don dey chat with. Today na Valentine oh. Na Valentine oh. When I see Susie, I go first hug her. I'm like, Susie, now you be this. Lord, fine girl. What be say? I never seen that kind of fine girl before. If I see her, I go hug her. I go. Make I wait first. Hey, Susie. Happy. Who did here? I been on Susie. See my Susie. My sweetie Porero. You don't even your eyes they push you. Then welcome now. Welcome. Have your seat. I don't expect a long time. My Susie. I don't expect you. I beg, see your face. I beg, make I see your face now. Your face even push you. Your eyes they push you. Susie. Sweetie Porero. Your body got strong like this. Your body strong, kakaraka. I beg, wait, Susie. Now today, now me and you, one-on-one again. Shaku again. You know that one. You don't know that one. Okay, don't worry. See, I won't bring something for you. Make you just take it in your mind. Make it be cool. After that, you won't talk. You don't want talking. Okay, wait. Make I go get you something. Go eat first. I dey come. Hey. Susie, see. This one make it first use and tell your mind first. I don't order so many things. I order pizza, I order shawarma, I order biryani for you. Now only you today. See my heart. How you dey my heart? Where they blinky. You touch my head. I beg take this one. Take this one. I beg open am. I beg no go open. Make I help you. I beg make I help you. Hey, see, how you G? My sweetie Porero, no mind your straw, don't they? Use her like that. No, hey, it's for you. Hey. Wait, I beg. You feel open your face more, eh? And there is something inside you. I beg you, waiting to worry you. Hey, Susie, open your face very well. Why woman they get beer? What be say go long like that beer being hardy? Hey, Susie, hey, wait. Hey, Ogbeni. This one is Susie. I hear me tell me, baby, head boy. Now you be Susie. Why no she man? Hey boy, I beg, bring this one. Bring this one. Now you be Bobrisky. Where I don't chat with since all these days. Oh my God. I send you money. I send you card. I send you everything. You even talk say make I send money. When you make I go, when you go book hotel, when are you go use? Thank God say I wise it. Hey, I bet if I hear pig from your mouth, you don't be thief. Hey, what be this one? Hey, from where you get breasty? I bet make I see him. Make us see him. If you don't grow breast like Bobrisky, wait, if I hear him, I go cut your head.
Jesus is Lord.
Whoa! Hey, orange to orange.
I also ask for money, no give me.
You are asking me.
I be asking for money.
You dey hustle for money? As I want to pay again.
You no give me.
I say me thunder fire you now. They say I do back.
You want to pay again?
This Christmas.
Why not say that man? Why you don't say you no go do am again? Where the cutlass?
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here.
Where the cutlass?
No.
What is that?